Scott and Tira's Home Shop. I'm Scott.
And I'm Tira.
And we hope you enjoy the following video. Alright, don't run up on the toolboxes. Push it away. By the bottom. Alright, now let it down. And I'm going to set it right across the legs, because we're going to be putting it right back up there again. Come on down. I mean, go up, go up.
There you go.
Gotta be very careful with these.
Hello.
There we go. Alright. Go plug her back in. I think this one right here. I think that one right there might work. Unplug it. Let's see if we can clean the motor coil up. Alright, so what we're doing now is, will you get me my little impact and a Phillips bit out of the gray Tecton box? Oh, far right. Long screws go in the motor cover. We'll have to JB weld this back together. I know how to make that stay. You get this number 1 or number 2?
Number 2. Do you need number 1?
No. We gotta get to the commutator. Hopefully I can get to it this way. It's all unplugged, right?
You sure?
Okay, just wanna make sure. Alright. Wait a minute, hold on. Oh, too bright. Let's put it back together. I'm gonna put the motor housing back on. Evidently the field windings are bolted in, not just pressed in, so it's not letting it slide out. So what I need is a little piece of sandpaper.
This one?
Just a little, I already have a piece somewhere. Alright, I just wanna make this brush have to wear back in. Alright. So what we're doing, we're going to do the same thing on this side that we're doing on this side. What I'm trying to do is I don't want to take this dumpster dive fine what do you call it? I just want to get some sandpaper in on the commutator to clean it. Hello everybody. Here won't finish snap my fingers. I must be a magician. Hold on, let's see what's... Why are you not going in? Oh, come on, man. Find a place to go and get there.
You stripped that one? Or was it
I'm
already?
not sure.
Where did these small ones go here?
Yeah.
You gotta kind of... Well, sometimes when I turn or something, there's like a... Yeah, there it is right there. It's like a black phase. The line goes like across it and then it disappears.
I don't know, baby. Where did those go?
No, this is another one that's like this. I don't know where it goes. This one may go here. Oh, there's...
Oh. Oh shit. I know where these two go. Alright, plug it back in.
Here, Mom, can you bring it in for me?